Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a token to Coinbase Wallet. Now you have two options of adding a token into your Coinbase Wallet. So in the first method, you just have to simply purchase the token of your choice. For that, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select buy option. After that, you can change the network based on the coin that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase Bitcoin, so I'm going to select Bitcoin. Then after selecting the payment method, you need to press continue, then press continue again. Now once you are on the provider's official website, you just have to provide your personal details like your phone number, email address and your payment details, and you just have to simply conclude your payment. Once your transaction is completed, you will receive your selected crypto or the token in your Coinbase wallet. Now in the second method, what you can do is you can simply receive the token into your Coinbase wallet and it will show you over here on the home page. So this is the only method of adding a token to the Coinbase wallet. If you want to add any of the custom tokens, then what you can do is you can simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner and then tap on this gear icon. Now over here, you just have to tap on the networks option and tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Now here you can add any of the networks of your choice, and with the help of that network you can add the respective token into your Coinbase wallet as well. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.